What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? This is Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video, and today I have the pleasure on unboxing a brand new item that's going to be added to the Pet Rock Media lineup. Roll the intro. Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon. I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps keep the lights on, and it lets you be notified when we post videos or go live on this channel. So recently I've been thinking about adding some different type of content to this channel, one of which is a POV style of vlog, kind of documenting my photo adventures and things like that, traveling the hill country and whatnot. And so I recently picked up a GoPro Hero 8. So now we're gonna roll some beautiful B-roll footage of us unboxing this bad boy. Okay guys, so one thing that I will recommend is that depending on your situation, for me, this lug nut was ridiculously screwed on there. So if you look inside in here, you'll see there's a screwdriver head that you can easily use to untighten it, and then it'll easily come off, and then you can take this mount that it came with and you can take it off. Now what's cool about the new GoPros is that they do have this built-in mount on the cameras. You can see right there. And when you're not needing to use it, if you're wanting to use it in another style, if you're just wanting to hold it and don't want to break these off, just put it down and you're all set. So overall, I'm going to be utilizing this, as I mentioned, for some POV photography stories and things like that. When we go out at night, when we just do simple photo stories, I'm going to be utilizing this as a POV style. I've got a chest strap that's coming in, and I've also got some mounts right here to put it on top of the camera, so that way as I'm photographing, you can be part of the journey and part of the story. So this right now, we got it on sale for $249 at my local Best Buy. Not sure what the retail is. I believe they're normally $399. But again, I got it on a great deal. There were some deals right before the 4th of July that then expired for some of the other type of action cameras. I'm not sure if GoPro was a part of it. I do know the DJI one, the DJI Action, not the Osmo Pocket, but the Osmo Action was on sale as well. But I just wanted to go with the GoPro. I do have an Osmo Pocket that I can use that has a built-in gimbal, as you know. But this thing, I'm really excited about using this as well. So if you want to stay tuned to see what the other footage we're going to get, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon. Stay tuned to future videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.